Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. My name is Tushar Garg. I am certified Salesforce developer. So, as you already know, we have started our series for Field Service Lightning. So, let's come to the today's agenda. So, today we will discuss about your service territories, work type, and work orders. So, let's come to our first topic, which is service territories. So, as the name suggests, territories. Territories is nothing but any geographical or any region where our field workers will work, or where we perform the services, or where we give the services. Like, let's take the example of any territory. Like, we have one parent territory, India, and under the India we have some child territories like UP territory or Hyderabad territory, or we can say that under the UP territory also we have some more territory like Agra territory or Bareilly territory or any other territory, right? So territory is nothing but a region where our field service worker or field service technician will perform the work, and our workers or our technician will give the work. Okay, so this is our field service territory. So let's come to the demo part. So how we can create the field service territories. Okay. So as you already know, we have field service admin app, and in field service and admin app, if you go to the third tab, which is field territories. So let me go to new button. So I create one territory which name is Agra ter, and if you want any parent territory, then you can create a parent territory also. Like Agra is a part of UP territory, you can say that. So the parent of this Agra territory is the UP territory. So just create one more territory, you can create UP. Okay, and what is the operating hour for this territory? As I already say, every territory have their separate operating hour. Okay, like Agra territory have operating hour for 9 to 5. Maybe UP territory have the operating hour for 5 to 8 or something like that. But you always know that the first priority is our child territory. Like, if you are working over the Agra territory, then the operating hour which we mention in the Agra territory, it will work. And if you want to give any address, you can give any address also. Whatever you want, you can do. Okay, and test and save. Okay, so this is a parent territory which I created. Under the parent territory, I will create one child territory also, and it is take some time, sorry for that. Yeah, now it's saved. So operating hour, I use general hour, I activate it. If I want to give any address, I can give that and save. Okay. So this is how you can create these service territories. Under the service territories, you can assign the service territory members. So now what is service territory members? So service territory members is nothing but a service resources, because under the service territory you need to assign some resources, right, who will perform the work under the territory. So let me go to assign service resources. Here I can find the name of my user, I guess. Yeah, it's here. Let me assign to Sargar for this territory. So it's taking 1 minute. Okay, and for which day to which day you want to assign that user. So I assign 2 September to 3 September, because maybe after some time I will not work for Agra territory, I will go to any other territory. Okay, so is there any particular hour? There are some hours where I want to assign that particular person to particular territory. Okay, if you want to assign the location, you can assign that, and other things also, like if what is the shift of that territory, work type of this territory, many things we can do that. And all these things we will discuss in our another lectures. But for to make this lecture simpler, service territory is nothing but a region or particular area where our field agent or field worker will work or perform the field services. Okay, so let's come to our next topic, which is work order. Okay, so work order. What is work order? Yeah, now. So before I explain work order, we can say that we have work type. Okay, So work order. Um, let's give one simple example. Any customer have any particular requirement, or any customer want any type of services. So all these type of services or all these type of requirements is created under the work order in our field service lightning app. Simple. I want to perform, or I want any type of requirement with any person. So for this, I want our agent or uh, our technician will assign to that particular work order. Simple. Okay. So let me go and create one work order. But before I create the work order, I want to show you what is work type. So think about the condition. I have one work for routing fixing, or for one work for cable connection. Okay, let's think about cable connection. So I am not only one customer, or there are only one customer who have this requirement. No, no. There are a lot of customers who have the same requirement. Okay, for the cable connection, what is the skills we want? We want some person who is expert in cable connection, right? And we want some person who know English. So we want some skill set, right? And also for doing the cable connection, we want some type of products, right? So think, I want to create a work order for 10 persons. Okay. And for every 10 person have the same requirement. They want to do the cable connection. So every time I need to create 10 work order, and for every 10 work order, I need to assign the skills. I need to assign the product, whatever the everyone have the same requirement, but performing the same requirement, I need to again and again I need to create the work order, right? Which is wrong thing, right? Which is not correct, because every time I need to create work order, every time I need to create a skills or whatever the skills is required for to perform this work, or every time I need to add the product to perform this work. To to make it simple, to make it generic, we have work type. Work type is a templates, or work type is a generic templates for a specific work order or a specific task. Like I have cable connection. My company provide cable connection. So I have one work type which is having cable connection products. What are the products is needed for cable connection, or what are the skills needed for cable connection, right? So work type is a generic template which is useful for our work order. I hope everyone clear. So let's come to the demo part. Let me go to the field service app. Yeah, so for work type, we need to go to the field service app. We don't need to create go with field service admin app. So here we can come to the work order, and let's first let me create the work type. Okay, let me duplicate this tab. Okay, I guess here also we open. Yeah, okay, here also field service app is open. Let me open it. Okay, it's taking some time to load. Maybe my network connection is not good today. Okay, so let's go to the work type. Okay, so I am creating one work type which name is cable connection, right? And what is the operating hour I can give? If you want, you can give. Otherwise, you don't need to give. How much time it will take? So I write 2 hours. Okay, what is the block time? Block time before about. So these are the not mandatory fields. There are a lot of fields, but let me put only these two fields, which is mandatory one, and save it. So as I already say, for cable connection, we create one work type which is cable connection. Under the cable connection, I have skill requirements and product required. So to perform this work, I want some person who have skill of like who is expert in cable connection. or who is expert in technical work or anything, you can say that, right? So let's wait. I hope it will, yeah. So I can, for now it's, I have only one skill. Okay, I like to assign English here, and I can level is 2. Okay, simple. I can assign some product also. So I don't think in my org there are any product. So cable, I create one product which is cable. Okay, and activate product family or whatever you want to choose. Otherwise you don't need to choose. And quantity 2 cable I need to require each. Okay, so now I create one work type. So for cable connection, whenever I get a work order with where I need cable connection work, so every time I need a product which name is cable, or as well as I need a skill of English skill, right? So let me go to the work order and I will show you some magic now. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, so let me create new work order. Here I can, where are the work type? Okay, maybe it's not in page layout. Okay, so let me create, or let me go to the page layouts. So in our initial lecture, I say you we need to assign uh, field service page layout to every one, right? So maybe I forget to assign that one to this particular object. So let me assign now. Okay, it's saved now. Let me go to that page layout. Okay, here we have work type. Yeah, we have work type here. Okay, so let me save it and let me refresh here. So if I click on new, so now you see that okay, that page is again not refresh, or I assign it to system admin or not. Let me again see. Okay, I forget to assign it to system admin. Sorry for that. I waste everyone time. Sorry. So let me assign here and this one. Now it's fine. Let me save it. Okay. So now you see work type. So I create one work order where I assign work type as cable connection. It's a new order. Which territory I want for UP territory. Priority I want to set is medium. Which account I want. I can create one account also for which case I want, or whatever the name. So cable connection. Okay. And let's see. So let me check what is happening now. So now you see, I create one work order with I'm using this work type. So now when I go to related, so you see skill requirements already come. How that skill requirement is come? Because I use this particular work type here. So whatever the skills are for this work type, those same skills are coming into this work order also. And if you want to add any additional skill, you can add that. If you want to delete this skill, you can do that. But yeah, it will save lot of your time. Really, it will save lot of your time. So I guess this is all about the today's agenda. We just discussed about service territory, work order and work type. So I hope everyone understand this. Thank you so much for joining this lecture. We will meet soon with our next topic. Thank you.